Alright, today we're cleaning Blaze King. I got my screws there. A little low, but it's alright. Gotta take this off. Take it off right here. Slide that up. Slide this up the chimney. Or slide this down. One of the two. But then it's hard. Might need two people to do it. It's just me, so. Alright, this is what it looks like on the inside. See how it's pretty narrow down there? It's like 4 inches. 6-inch pipe. You got a bunch of soot in there. A lot of this is from running the stove so low. Dang, that's pretty thin. This is what I have. I have a big black trash bag. I'm gonna tape it around this. And I chose to get a bigger bag than I had before. That way I could have a little more room. Since I'm doing this alone, I don't have anybody to hold the chimney cleaner while I put the tape up. Put the bag up there, or hold the bag while one cleans the chimney. So, just a few ideas to help. That's how we have it set up. We have it taped around the black part and taped around the chimney entrance. And now we have our chimney cleaner inside of the bag. We're gonna scrape the crap out of it. The bag has a good chance of falling off, so just gotta be careful. So we did make it into the chimney, and I made my hole about 8 inches up from the bottom. That way when we take it out, when we're just scraping it, all the soot doesn't come out here. And I use that other bag I had as a plug. And this out and cleaning it. And shaking it. Hang out at about 1 inch or so every once in a while, and every 6 inches or so, and go back and forth. So the bag did help reduce the size of the mess, but I'm still going to sweep mop, and have a ash vac over there. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum all this stuff up. But we're going to take off the bag now. So that's what it looks like when it's clean. It's not a little 4-inch hole anymore. And that is caused from running the stove so low at like inside temperature about 78 degrees, and the outside temperature is about 0 to 20 above. And that's kind of what it looked like underneath the top of the stove. I have a vacuum, but if you didn't have one, you could just sweep it down there in that gap, then it'll go into the wood stove, and you either take it out of there or wait until you clean the stove next time. But yeah, that's all in there. Ash vac. That's what it looks like when it's clean. There's a couple little corners I couldn't get to, like way back there. But that catalytic converter is supposed to clean itself. That's that waffle thing back there. That's a catalytic converter. So there you go. Yeah, I don't really worry about this, the window, because once the fire gets hot, it'll clean it off, or if not, it'll just go back to the same. There's a little bit of ash still left in there. Only can get what the shovel could get out. I'm not too worried about getting in there with the vacuum to clean that. It's just going to build up and clean it out in like 2 weeks anyway. So there's my tutorial of cleaning a Blaze King.